Who knows what new word lurks in your dictionary?
80-do.
Plumbing and heating problems. Who'll fix it like new?
80-do.
Clogged sewers and drains. Who cleans it through and through?
80-do.
Emergency service. Easy credit. Who has it just for you?
80-do.
Call number 1. You know who.
80 has a nice, clean sound.
We're in the white pages.